Hey, welcome back to the OGC. Okay, I have a steel backpack blower. This will work for any other manufacturer basically of backpack blower if you're having a similar issue. It's really bogging down on high throttle. When I hit full throttle, it bogs, and it's never done that before. So I'm gonna start it up a minute and show you a clip of exactly what it's doing so you can see if it's doing the same thing that you're having an issue with. And if it is, we'll talk about what we're going to do and try to fix it. So here's that clip. All right, so you heard it bogging down like that. And there's two adjustments on these carburetors. There's a high and a low on the back of it there. And you need a special tool to change it. Every carburetor is different. There's 3 or 4 different types of tools that you need. There's one that's called a Pac-Man. There's like a splined one. And then there's this one here is the hexagon. It's just a 4mm hex. So I went down or over to my local steel dealer. I like to go to a local shop when I can to buy my parts, and I wanted to buy, I didn't have one of these. And no kidding, they told me that they're allowed 2 per year that they're sent, and they have to document them and track them. They cannot sell them to you, and it just blew my mind, right? So he told me what he tells everybody else, go on the Jungle site and you can get a whole kit. You can get a kit of all the different flavors that you might need. I recommend you go buy the whole kit. I have slowly accumulated them. I bought this one off the Jungle site. It was $7 for the one. I already have the other ones from other equipment that I've repaired. If I did it again, I'd just buy the kit and have them all for, you know, $20 or whatever it is. So anywho, let's take a look at what we need to do to get this thing to run right. Okay, so you have your carburetor. Here's your priming bulb, your on, off, and choke. And then you'll see right here, there's 2 little holes. H for high and L for low. High right now is when throttle is wide open. That's adjusting your fuel air mixture. Low is just as it sounds, when you're on lower RPMs. So we're struggling with wide open throttle bogging. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and let it idle, let it warm up a little bit more, closer to operating temperature, if you will. And I'm gonna go in here with my tool, and I'm not gonna be able to show you because you can't see it, but you'll feel it kind of set into where it needs to be, right there. And we're gonna turn it counterclockwise or out about a 1/4 turn at a time as it's running. And we're gonna keep pulling the throttle until we get a snappy high RPM response. And then we're set. That's all it takes. All right, take the high one. 1/4 turn. Better. A little more. See what that does. There you go, that was it. Back to where we were before. A $7 tool, and you too can do this. So hopefully this helps somebody else out, and if you got anything out of this video or you want to see me do other things with more junk, give me a little inspiration. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and make a comment. All right, I'm gonna get to lawn cleanup. We'll see you guys next time on the OGC.